Okay, here at the BSCI convention again, and we're here with Andrew Large of the World Federation. Andrew, thank you for taking the time to talk with us. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about your organization.
The World Federation of Building Service Contractors is an organization for organizations like BSCI from across the world. We've got members in North America, Latin America, Europe, Japan, Korea, Australasia. We're hoping to move into South Africa as well soon. So we really are a global organization representing the interests of building service contractors.
Yeah, so here in the United States, how would your organization be a benefit for us to get involved? And how do you work together with those here in the United States?
Right. I mean, we have a very close relationship with the colleagues in the US. There's two members of BSCI who are on the board of the World Federation, and that means that you have direct input right into the strategy of what we're doing. In terms of the way that it's going to be a benefit to BSCI members, it really focuses on three things. The first is global lobbying. So much now is decided at global level rather than in Washington. So we've got state government. So there is an opportunity here for the things that are happening at a global level before they hit your national legislature. And the second thing is the network. You have a convention here where you're meeting people from across the BSCI network. Imagine how much more powerful that would be if you're meeting people from Europe and Asia and Australasia at the same time. But the third thing is also learning about growth. It's learning about the business strategies that other people have used to make their businesses successful. It's learning about the things they've done when they've been confronted with similar issues. Union issues, service issues, moving to daytime cleaning, whatever it might be. There's a lot of experience out there in the world. It's a fantastic opportunity for people from the US to build on that experience and take it back to their own businesses and grow them as far as they can.
Yes, now you get a pretty good view of the world in the cleaning industry. What are some of the common issues? I know you mentioned the union issue, daytime cleaning, but what are some issues that you've addressed over the years?
I think the major issues that we're working on at the moment are sustainability. So we're looking not just at the environment, but also at the social aspects of cleaning, and also then the profitability aspect of cleaning. You can make a company as green as you like, but if it doesn't actually then do the job properly, it's not going to make any money and it goes bust. So you've got to be able to bring all of those three things together. We've done a lot of work on labour standards, trying to deal with some of the issues that are emerging where you have a global union environment and people are trying to export labour standards outside of the US, outside of the European Union, into other countries without any kind of reference to the cost base that's there or the ability of people to pay those wage rates or work in those kinds of conditions. I think the third major issue is about international trade. It's about facilitating the opportunity for organisations to work together across borders. There are a number of alliances of cleaning companies now that work across borders in the European Union and into Asia, and I think there's a huge potential opportunity for the American market, both for people to come in, but also for Americans to come out and to start looking at the global opportunities to have a global industry, the global BSC.
Now, when is your next convention, and where is it going to be?
Right, next convention is between the 6th and the 10th of February 2011, and it's going to be in Auckland, New Zealand.
Wow. So how many do you usually get in attendance on those events?
We'll be looking for something like 350, 400, brought from all BSCs across the world, down to Auckland to hear a conference program that's going to cover the whole of the aspect of sustainability.
Wow.
We're delighted to welcome Diversity as our main sponsor, and we're looking forward to having a great time and for people to really take home some business benefits of value back to their own businesses when they come back.
Now, if people want to find out about the World Federation, is there a website that they can go to?
There certainly is. The best website to go to is www.wfbsc2011.com.
Great. Well, thank you, Andrew, for taking the time and
thank you, Ron.
Your organization and all the help that it's doing in kind of unifying the industry. Thank you.
Delighted to be here. Thank you.